St. Bernards are known for their massive size and gentle temperament. Adult dogs typically weigh between 120 and 180 pounds, with males often being larger than females. They have a broad, muscular build with a large head and deep-set, expressive eyes. Their coat is thick and dense, typically a mix of short and long fur, which helps protect them from cold mountain conditions. The breed has a distinctive, gentle face, with a slightly wrinkled brow and a short muzzle. Despite their imposing size, St. Bernards are famously calm, affectionate, and patient, making them excellent family pets. Follow and subscribe for more content.